Hi there, this is Maneesh from PM Pulse bringing to you yet another power-packed episode from PM Ninja video series. We all know that the new PMP 2021 has come into effect since 2nd of January 2021, and well, some people are facing problems, some people are still getting through, which is a good news. But unfortunately, the number of people who are not getting through is much higher than the number of people who are passing. And that's where PM Pulse comes in. In this video, I'm going to talk about something really important. I've been able to observe certain patterns, and what I have for you are some of the most important processes that you need to focus on for PMP Exams 2021. These processes, I know there are 49 processes, but I'm going to give you a list of processes. Just stick to that, master them, and you'll be safe. Keep watching. All right, so let's have a look at some of the most important processes which are very popular on PMP exams since 2nd of January 2021. I know there are 49 processes, but these are the processes that you need to focus on. The very first one is develop project charter. Second one is identify stakeholders, collect requirements, create WBS, validate scope, sequence activities, estimate activity durations, develop schedule, control schedule, determine budget, plan quality management, control quality, plan resource management, develop team, manage team. Now, you might have noticed that I have used a different color for develop team and manage team because what you will find that these processes are even more important than the important processes that I'm showing. Most of the questions will center around it. In fact, if you get any question about team, if you get any question about interpersonal skills, 99% of all interpersonal skill, building up team, problems with team will be centered around develop team, manage team. And therefore, for these two processes, not only understand the ethos through and through, also understand the extended syllabus and extended study material provided to you by PMI. Or you could simply attend my session where we provide everything to you in one go. Anyway, let's continue. Plan communications management, identify risks, perform qualitative risk analysis, plan risk responses, plan procurement management. Let's continue. Manage project knowledge, monitor and control project work, perform integrated change control, plan stakeholders engagement, monitor stakeholder engagement, and finally close project or phase. Yes, these are the special 26 processes. Anything that I've not covered here does not mean you should not know them, but you don't have to spend a lot of time. Particularly just before the exam, you need to focus on these 26. In fact, you should be good at ethos for these 26 processes, and you should understand the scenarios attached to these 26 processes. Yes, just lightly review the other ones. Don't let them be. But these are the 26 processes. All right, so let me show them to you again, and I hope you have the pen and paper with you. All right, so or kind of remember to watch this video multiple times. I'm going to go through this fast. Develop project charter, identify stakeholders, collect requirements, create WBS, validate scope, sequence activities, estimate activity durations, develop schedule, control schedule, determine budget, plan quality management, control quality, plan resource management, develop team and manage team. They are super important. Plan communications management, identify risk, perform qualitative risk analysis, plan risk responses, plan procurement management, manage project knowledge, monitor and control project work, perform integrated change control, plan stakeholder engagement, monitor stakeholder engagement, and close project or phase. And these are your special 26. So now you know those special 26 processes. These processes are important both from scenario point of questions, from tricky questions point of view, but also if at all they're going to talk to you about ethos. These are the processes they're going to touch upon. This is maneesh from PM Pulse bringing to you yet another power-packed episode from PM Ninja video series. Do share, do subscribe, do like, because that's how YouTube works. The more you like, the more you subscribe, the more it shows to people. And since we don't advertise, please go ahead and share with as many people as you can. The more we can help, the better it is. Thank you for watching.